It's good to improve your money management skills in general. And remember, money is a tool. Don't use a tool of money with emotions. Use it logically. Here are the ways to manage. Here are the ways to effectively manage your own money. 1. Use the internet, YouTube, books, audiobooks that help you with money. I personally use the internet, YouTube, and books. I haven't tried audiobook that talked about money yet. Well, all three of the want me to improve how to approach money, and some of it is based on personal experience, believe it or not. 2. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is important. You can use a notebook that you can purchase in your store. I don't know that will work due to what is going on. This one is up to you. 3. Make sure to save your money regularly. This kind of depends on what you do with your own money and what you do with your own money in general. For example, non-fiction books, good self-defense classes, the gym, or exercise equipment for your home, and many other things that is valuable in your own life and is also not illegal. 4. Learn and practice good habits on how to manage your own money. It's important to understand that money management is about having a good type of money management skills, also habits too. 5. Set up personal financial goals. This one take time to think and also be specific on your own goals in general. 6. Set a plan to pay out the bad debts. There are many ways to do this. I personally save some money and put it in an envelope and also put it in the bank. This is what I personally do. Your way might be different than me. Hopefully you find this video valuable and educational. Have a good day.